This channel does not promote any violent, harmful, or illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for an educational purpose only.
Pursuant to your Lordship's direction, the Chief Technical Officer.
All right.
Time for the.
All right.
And
The report.
Yes, the report in tabular form.
Please give. How many more unauthorized constructions have been detected?
Wait. Many are there, Your Lordship, and we have stated in our tabular form, which is paragraph 4 and 5, 6 also. In this report, via this report, Your Lordship,
Just see several unauthorized in the Anandapur PS. I can see unauthorized building and plastic godowns. And you all are not taking steps against them.
no, Your Lordship, it's not this. If
Plastic recycling units.
May I kindly just point out a few relevant paragraphs
Yes.
that I want to bring to Your Lordship's kind attention.
Yes.
Paragraph number, otherwise it starts from the first paragraph itself, but the most relevant paragraphs in my report would be 4, 5, Your Lordship. Kindly.
Yes, I am at 4 and 5 and
Yes.
6 also.
Yes. What is the difficulty, Your Lordship, that we are facing as authorities? Kindly see, it has been elaborately explained. As an officer of the court, Your Lordship, that is which I feel is my bounden duty. I am placing it for Your Lordship's kind perusal.
Violators did not appear in the
Yes,
hearing.
in many cases, Your Lordship, we are facing this, that we have to give them notices n number of times, and Lordships, there has always been fallen from Your Lordship why we have not taken care of the large groups and certain like that. That paragraph 5 deals with it, Your Lordship.
The secretary, through the advocate, has served notice no longer exists.
Yes.
Act no longer
Yes.
exists.
Yes, this is what they have taken.
Whatever is their stand,
We have just explained.
it has become infructuous into coming into effect of the rules in the Protection Act. However, further opportunity of hearing
Has been given.
Yes.
Despite this,
Bhola Pike, 12 cases challenging the act. Those cases are pending. 3 more petitions. By merely keeping a writ petition pending does not mean that the unauthorized construction be permitted to stay.
before Your Lordship, what we have tried to bring to Your Lordship is the difficulty that we are facing, but it in no way we have said that we are not going to take action against them, since so many illegal construction, as was stated in our first report, which was placed before Your Lordship, where Lordship always indicates that there are 550, but there are 505 illegal constructions.
505.
505, Your Lordship.
I have maybe all the 3
No,
digits
because
are there,
that-
not in the proper
Yes,
position.
and Lordship kindly sees the last page that I will also bring to Your Lordship's kind attention. The last few pages,
Yes.
that there was a similar situated case, Your Lordship. Similarly situated case, the division bench of our court has been pleased to stay the demolition process. That is annexed at page number 21. Kindly sees, it is in a pill 330
Yes.
of 2023.
Right.
Yes. These are the facts which I am bringing before Your Lordship,
Yes. Yes.
so that in no way Lordship believes or is made to believe that we are not taking any action.
Right.
Since it is a long drawn process,
These applicants were never put to notice. See, the issue is they were not put to notice.
no, Your Lordship, kindly sees paragraph 20, page 22.
22, the
Yes.
first portion. These applicants were never put to notice.
Yes,
The
no.
4th line.
Yes.
Such as submitted, the authority can take action against the applicant following the statutory provision. Can the applicants were not means primarily it's violation of principle of natural justice. There is no coming
Kindly see paragraph 6.
following these.
Just kind attention is drawn towards paragraph 6. Learned counsel for the petitioner, on the other hand, relied on the report. This is not EKWMA counsel, Your Lordship. This is state advocate. EKWMA at that point of time was not served. Now, on the next date, I will be appearing. or passing of the order dated 6/8/25 by this court. In the said report is it mentioned that the notices were affixed on the unauthorized structure and that amounts to putting the person to notice. It is also noteworthy that in the said report it is mentioned that the said exercise was undertaken because the names of the owners were not available with the government authority. So since EKWMA was not present before the division bench, and the division bench till that period of time has been pleased to stay that matter, now EKWMA will appear and apprise the division bench of that we had served the notice, but since the names were not available, this order perpetually got stayed. Now, Your Lordship, what I am not saying any time, not once has, as a officer of the court, has fallen from me that we are not going to demolish. But since these are the practical difficulties, and Lordship has been repeatedly asking us as to how quickly the people of Calcutta East, Calcutta can see the East wetland management, wetlands. So that is why I have brought it to Your Lordship's kind notice that these are the difficulties that are being faced with us. But since the one of the largest complex is also under notice, again we will hear the matter and then we will place it before Your Lordship on the next date, whatever Your Lordship gives. And a few KMC and the District Magistrate South Parganas have been forwarded a list which is also elaborated in the paragraphs. Paragraph 6 paragraph is 5 is to the KMC and paragraph is 6 is with respect to the District Magistrate South 24 Parganas. These status, Mr. Chatterjee appearing on behalf of the state will be able to apprise better, since we have reiterated many a times that we lack apparatus and many things, technicalities. So I think Mr. Chatterjee and someone appearing from the corporation will be able to apprise on these two.
Thing is that since a huge amount of money is involved, definitely there will be difficulties. But as authorities, you and the state have to work in tandem to ensure that the unauthorized constructions are demolished, certainly in accordance with law. Not that you just go and demolish violating principles of natural justice. That cannot be done.
I am stating that if you bear me for one moment, Lordship, illegal constructions which are without sanction plan, they definitely will be taken care of. But since there are so many have cropped up, we on the first occasion itself have placed before Your Lordship there are so many illegal constructions. And on the last occasion, if I remember, Mr. Chatterjee had also submitted this fact, though it is better for him to submit, that the demolition experts, even he had stated, he had taken this point that is why it is taking some time. This is the only difficulties that we are facing.
No, sometime means sometime. It does not mean an indefinite period of time.
It definitely will take place, yes. Your Lordship. We assure Your Lordship that with due process of law will be followed, and we will be, because again in my report that I have placed before Your Lordship, we have said that one largest complex which we believe is illegally constructed, which has come up on that area. We have already served notice, but that have already taken time. Another notice we have served, and that also applies Your Lordship on the next date of hearing as to what is the fate.
And state administration.
Lordship sees paragraph 6. 41 constructions are alleged to have been illegally made. I have filed a report on the previous occasion. The administration has 2 diploma engineers. We had 42 diploma engineers to carry out all these 41 illegal demolition. It takes not sometime. Your Lordship knows how much time. It will be almost an endless procedure.
What are the engineers supposed to do?
In any demolition, I appreciate, just laborers cannot go and demolish. It has to be under the
supervision of an engineer
and direct control of these engineers.
All right. As
Your Lordship will see, while Your Lordship was sitting in the other jurisdiction, demolition of a building ipso facto is not that easy.
Not an easy task.
But police administration go and can evict all of them. But demolition itself is quite a difficult task. So, previous paragraph, I will see KMC has been requested to paragraph.
Why don't you use the instruments which were used in the super tech demolition type of thing? The Supreme Court could get it implemented. You all also try to get hold of something so that it doesn't take time. Otherwise, On one side, you'll start demolition, on the other side, the construction will go up.
No construction is coming up.
One good thing is there is no allegation even of any new construction coming.
Yes.
That has actually this litigation has benefited us.
Yes, that is also my instruction.
505 or 50, whatever is there, it has to go. But this going rate will be really very, very slow. I
Yes,
very,
very honest.
Very honest to your lordship. We do not have the infrastructure
And the expertise.
and anything to carry out this. If your lordship so desires, my lord, we seek my lord's interference for formation of some committee where
Yes.
the KMC experts are always also there, because
The KMC people will be involved because notices are given to them also and falls within the corporation zone.
Yes.
those 23 alone, my lord, they will not help us in these 41 demolitions.
And moreover,
No, if it falls within the KMC area, certainly they will.
Otherwise, your lordship knows KMC has a completely different wing.
Yes, demolition squad.
That has to be possibly, my lord's kind interference, that has to be activated, and we have to
You all take steps for minimum activation so the court can act as a catalyst.
we'll come back.
we'll communicate. Let us
Only one.
see. I have stated.
Only one big house, let them take steps. They are not taking steps against the big houses. Only those who are.
No, circulate the report so that everybody gets to know.
Since
Yes.
this has come very late to
Right.
me,
All right.
and every time I have been doing it.
Yes.
I have given the notice, but I have intimated them. So the one matter, the 3 or 4 matters, which I have mentioned will also more than one matter. I have done the writing of the activities because of.
All right. As and when the virus is challenged, the court will see. It will let it remain pending. It will appear in the list. The court will pass order. Please come. Who is present online?
The CTO.
The chief
Sumana
technical
Agrawal.
officer. The chief technical officer. Name?
Sumana Agrawal. Madam, I'm correct?
I am Sumana Bhattacharya.
Oh, sorry.
MS Sumana Bhattacharya is present virtually.
Yes.
Stop. The report of the
I'll circulate. I've got it very late.
of the chief technical officer
Not on WhatsApp.
We don't get paid.
dated 18th of September 2025. Filed in court is taken on record. So let copy of the same be circulated to all the respective parties. Stuff. It has been the report discloses the steps taken by the EKWMA to deal with the unauthorized constructions that have been detected over the East Kolkata wetlands. Some time has been sought to actually implement the order of demolition passed in some of the in respect of some of the unauthorized constructions. Stop paragraph. It has been submitted that the cooperation from the state administration and the plan sanctioning authorities will be required for implementing the order of demolition. Stop paragraph. The not the EKWMA is directed to take steps.
That's it. May I put on? That's it. The sanction authority, Jila Parishad is not in any sanction plan issued in favor of the construction.
That I have already pointed out at the outset.
No sanction plan.
Yes.
Already that I have pointed out.
Yes. All these constructions are without plan.
In my
No sanction plan is.
I am aware of it.
ventilated this.
Does the Panchayat authority or the Jila Parishad also have a demolition squad?
No, I'm talking about them. I do not have any. I take their two diploma engineers.
Jila.
I
But
don't
that
have
must be on a very small scale.
No. Obviously, it must be of a small scale. Jila Parishad, how big will the construction be? Panchayat constructions are up to a particular height only. So they will certainly not have.
Yesterday they went to demolish one house.
Haba,
Now
thatched.
that's how
Ah.
they could only demolish the part of the boundary one. There are more than 500 people are there. All were gathered by these people, and they ultimately checked.
See,
This is the position.
see, this is the position.
Then the central authorities have to be called for. Nothing doing.
This is what is happening. That is now everything has been ventilated before your lordship. I mean, the
Next.
I have very less to say.
Take steps to ensure that the wetlands is restored to its original state without any further delay. Stop. Released.
যত আছে করছি আমরা অনেক কাজ করে বন্ধ হয়েছে এটি সত্য
8th of December 2025.